Music by Mercer Mayer. One day, my family went to the town to watch a parade. Many people were there to see the marching band. The music was very loud. Bum 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 bum. Little sister had to cover her ears. All the different instruments. I said to Dad, I want to play music too. When the parade ended, Dad and I walked to the music store to look at the instruments. I hoped that Dad would let me get one. While we were at the music store, Mom and my little sister went shopping for clothes and other stuff. The store was filled with so many instruments. Wow, Dad, I said. I like the tuba, but the tuba was just too heavy. The flute was too squeaky, the trombone was too long, the guitar had too many strings, but the drum was just right. That's it, I said to Dad. I will be a drummer. Dad signed me up for lessons. I couldn't wait to start playing my drum. I played it during the car ride home. It was a long ride, so I had plenty of time to play. Do you see the mouse?
I do see the mouse. He's on every page, isn't he?
The spider?
Mm-hmm.
I played my drum before bed until Mom finally said, "Go to sleep now!" I played my drum before breakfast until Mom made me go to school.
You're a lot like Little Critter.
After school, I invited my friend over to see my drum, but when I went to get it, it was not in my room. I'll sing in that part where Little Critter dreams about his rock and roll band.
Well, let's get to it first.
I searched and searched, but I couldn't find my drum anywhere. Mom! I called. My drum is missing! Mom asked little sister, "Did you do something with your brother's drum?" "I hid it in my room," said little sister. "He never stops playing and it is too noisy." "Go and get it now," Mom said. The next day, I had my first lesson with the music teacher. I'm a very good musician. I'm so good, my teacher let me try playing his drums. Daggum, daggum, daggum. Soon I will play my drum in a rock and roll band. I can't wait for my family to see me play. They will be so proud of me. Are you ready to rock? Yeah! Daggum, 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 daggum. But maybe before I play at my big rock and roll concert, I will have just a few more lessons. Good night. I love you.